An auger drilling rig is a hydraulic drilling rig installed on the excavator, with various models and customized sizes, which can be adapted to 1.5 to 40 tons of excavators and is easy to install. Only need to connect the hydraulic hose on the excavator can be used. The maximum drilling depth can be up to 12 meters. This kind of drilling rig can be used for all kinds of drilling operations, such as tree planting, drilling wells, plain foundation piles, pole holes, street light piling, horizontal pilot hole, and so on can all be constructed. The holes drilled are smooth and the drilling efficiency is high, so it is a good choice for you to make holes.